Begin by finding a comfortable standing position with your feet shoulder-width apart. Allow your arms to rest gently at your sides. Close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze, directing your attention inward. Take 3 deep, cleansing breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each exhale, consciously release any tension you're holding in your body. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly. Begin to sway your body gently from side to side, feeling the ground beneath your feet. This swaying motion helps to ground you in the present moment, preparing your mind and body for the meditation ahead. Allow this simple movement to connect you with the Earth's energy. Bring your swaying to a gentle stop and stand centered. Inhale deeply, lifting your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Exhale, and start moving your arms in large, deliberate circles. Perform the movement slowly, focusing on the sensation of air against your skin. For the first minute, move your arms forward in circles, then reverse the direction for the second minute. Visualize drawing energy from the universe with each circle, embodying the cycle of giving and receiving. Lower your arms and shift your focus to your hips. Begin circling your hips, first clockwise for 1 minute, then counterclockwise for another. Imagine these circles are stirring the energy around and within you, connecting you to the natural cycles of the world, such as the seasons, the phases of the moon, and the cycle of life and renewal. Let your movements be fluid and natural. Start integrating the movements of your arms and hips, allowing your entire body to participate in the circular motion. Begin by circling your hips while simultaneously circling your arms in the opposite direction. After 1.5 minutes, reverse the direction of both your arms and hips. As you engage in this holistic movement, envision yourself as part of the grand cycles of the universe, from the microscopic to the cosmic. Feel a sense of unity and harmony with all that is. Slow your movements gradually, and as you do, visualize your energy expanding outward in circles, reaching beyond your physical space to connect with the world around you. Imagine these energy circles touching the lives of others, the natural world, and the universe. As you move, reflect on the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of balance within these cycles. As your movements come to a rest, stand still with your eyes closed or gaze softened. Take deep grounding breaths. Reflect on the movement meditation you've just experienced. Consider the cycles you observe in your own life and how you can move more harmonically within them. Acknowledge the energy flow within and around you, feeling a sense of peace and connectedness. Take a final deep breath in, gathering the positive energy and calm you've cultivated. As you exhale, gently open your eyes and lower your arms to your sides. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for taking this time for self-care, and for deepening your connection with the cyclical nature of existence.